So in today's video, we're going to be talking about choosing and building the most ideal home computer. Now, it doesn't matter if that is for general use, for things like word processing, surfing the internet and checking your emails, or top-end gaming or video editing even. The process is still the same. We'll look at core components, everything from your CPU through to your RAM, and we'll then finally talk about that all-important budget. Now, my name's Rob from RLS Computer Services. Let's get straight to it. So first things first, let's nail down what you're using this PC for. Are you aiming for high-level gaming, something for work, or perhaps a bit of both? Knowing this is crucial because it will guide every other decision you make. If you're a gamer, you'll need a powerhouse that can handle all the latest gaming titles. For regular use like word processing, spreadsheets and email, you might want to think about something that's a little bit more efficient with a focus on productivity tools. However, if you're looking for something that's a little bit both, we can help you tailor that to get best of both worlds. Now we need to be talking about the brains of your PC, the processor. If you're into gaming or tasks like video editing, you'll want a high-end CPU. These are like the super fast engines of a sports car, delivering speed and performance. However, for everyday tasks, a mid-range processor will do just fine, offering a good balance of performance as well as cost. When it comes to visuals, the graphics card is your best mate, especially if you're into gaming or multimedia creation like DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or maybe even things like OBS. A strong graphics card is essential to support the latest games as well as software. You don't want your game stuttering just when you're about to claim victory. Make sure it fits your gaming needs and software you're planning to use. Next, let's talk about memory. For smooth multitasking and future-proof of your investment, aim for at least 16 gigs of RAM. This ensures you can run multiple applications effortlessly and your machine doesn't slow down. However, if your budget is tight, don't panic. 8 gigabytes of RAM will do just fine. Storage is where you keep all your stuff, so you want both speed and space. Opt for something like an SSD. These are a lot faster for booting up and quicker to access than regular hard drives. However, if you need more storage, a regular hard drive is perfect for archiving your files or for your games library. Now let's think about future-proofing your investment. It's great grabbing that PC for today, but you must think about tomorrow. Consider things like expanding your RAM or adding additional storage. You must make sure that your PC has the capabilities for expandability. This means that your investment will last a lot longer and you won't feel cheated on with your investment. Finally, let's talk about that budget. It's very important that you get your priorities right. Think about what it is that you want this PC to do and also think about those future improvements. Let's not forget those priorities in your choice. If you've got specific needs for your PC, it's worth putting a little extra in your budget so that you can get exactly what you want. Now, we've put together a free guide that you can download and use yourself to help put together your key components of your ideal home computer. You'll find that in the description down below. Now, my name's Rob from RLS Computer Services. I hope you've liked this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.